Won't you be my girl? Don't you call me sugar daddy? It's too dangerous a road. 'Cause our enemies of enemies who are not our friends. Don't you even touch that coffee.
Elwood, step out of the car, please.
It's a dangerous world in nearly every way. They won't live your life at ease, but they won't let you. All them dangers shine.
We are in high-speed pursuit. Black and white 1974 Dodge sedan with Illinois plates. Request assistance.
First you trade the Cadillac for a microphone. Then you lie to me about the band. Now you're gonna put me right back in the joint.
They're not gonna catch us. We're on a mission from God.
Leaves and melting in the seas. It's a dangerous world. They're near every way. They don't let your own mortality upset you.
Be all right if we can just get back on the expressway.
You ever stare into a fire for just a bit too long, and you look carefully enough and you see the universe is peeling in the edges, and you know that's the truth.
Don't look like no expressway to me.
Sometimes it's better to be dishonest with yourself.
Elwood.
It's a dangerous world.
Try not to be so negative all the time.
It's a dangerous world. For me.
They broke my watch.
I'm gonna catch that sucker. It's the last thing I ever do.